Alright guys, we'll see if we can make contact with somebody. Let's go 34. Turn the volume up.
I was talking through my nose bad. Yeah, Roger. Well, I'm glad you're getting better, Rascal. You got a pretty good copy on this 300 watts over there? Yeah, I got a little bit over 5 pounds on you. Yeah, Roger, that'll work. That's all I need there. That's all I'm running is 300 watts. Hey, sounding good, I tell you that. It really is. You on that IMAX too? Yeah, on that IMAX. I pulled it up 35 foot to the bottom. Yeah, it's doing you a good job. Ten, Roger, I appreciate it. I got plans for a beam real soon. I know you got a flat side. I'll be flat for long. I heard that.
Wait, 34.
Go ahead, Brady.
Yeah, 10-4, appreciate it there. This is Big Mac out of Apex. Anybody got a good copy on me?
Yeah, WD-40 over here, east Durham, west side of Falls Lake. Got a good copy on you there, Big Mac.
Yeah, 10-4, I think I've talked to you before. What's your handle again?
WD-40, Tadpole, WD-40.
Yeah, 10-4, I think I talked to you a few years back.
Oh yeah, I took like an 18-year break. I've been back a couple years there, sure have.
10-4, you near the Highway Patrol Station?
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, I think I talked to you, I don't know, 10 years ago maybe, 8 years ago. Yeah, because I think you told me you were near the Highway Patrol Station.
That's right, yeah, 10 Roger. Alright, Big Mac, well, I'm going to cut it to the left, Rascal. You have a good one there. That Tractor Man's over there near Eli Whitney, Pittsburgh area, if you want to try him. Take care of Big Mac, WD-40, west side of Falls Lake, WTNC.
How about you, Tractor Man? Got a copy?
Yeah, I got a copy.
Did you say you were in Eli Whitney?
Yeah, between Graham and Pittsburgh.
10-4, I'm over in Apex. Yeah, I'm from Alamance County, right north of Burlington, but I'm in Apex right now.
Oh yeah, I'm right off of Highway 87, out of Eli Whitney.
Yeah, 10-4, I got a good copy on you.
10-4, I got a decent copy on you.
Hey, 10-4, if you don't mind, I'll put this on YouTube and you can look it up.
Alright, yeah.
Yeah, 10-4, just check out, I got 2 channels. One's a fishing channel, but one's just got oddball stuff on it, but it's Max Public Land Hunting. And I'll put it on there tonight or tomorrow.
10-4, you just scrolling through the channels and heard us on there?
Yeah, 10-4, I think I've spoke to you before several years ago.
Yeah, we tend to stay on 34 and talk, but we on 28, 32, 34, but 34 mostly.
Yeah, 10-4, I can't reach them Burlington boys for some reason. A big hill in the way over there at Governor's Club or something.
Yeah, the boys in Burlington, they talk on 28, Ditch Digger, Doc Holiday. Oh shoot, there's a bunch of them in there.
Alright, 10-4, I appreciate it. Y'all have a good Thanksgiving and I'll talk to you soon.
Yes sir, you have a good Thanksgiving too, and shoot, we're here early in the mornings. If you ever hear us in there, you holler at us, alright?
10-4, what time is that usually?
Oh man, we're on anywhere from 5 to 6, anywhere from 5 to 6 to 7. Start at 5 in the morning.
Woo, that's early. Alright, well I appreciate it, Tractor Man. I'll talk to you soon.
Alright, you have a good one. Enjoy it.
Alright, appreciate it. I'm out.